and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're reviewing the e.l.f. makeup remover balm and the e.l.f. in the T-zone bubble mask. So as you can tell, it is Mask Monday. Woo! And before we jump into this, let me say, if you're a returning viewer, what's up? What's good? How you been? Glad you made it back. And if you are new to my channel, what's up? I'm Jen. Glad you could join me. So today, well, before we jump into this, of course, as always, please don't forget to subscribe. You know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when I'm posting, as it has been a little erratic lately, which I am still filming that get ready with me and so forth. That I'm going to go into that, I'll talk about all that. Anyway, so watch for that, but definitely hit that bell so you know when I'm going to post. So, first things first, I have not taken off all my makeup. My eyebrows are still on, and I still have some foundation on. I did wipe my eyes a little bit. Anyway, so this makeup remover balm, it says, remove your makeup as gently as you put it on with this multitasking balm stick that effortlessly removes makeup from your eyes, lips, and face. Infused with nourishing green tea, this balm leaves your skin feeling fresh and clean without any oily residue. The directions: on dry skin, gently glide balm over the face and massage with fingertips. For waterproof makeup, allow balm to sit for 10 to 20 seconds before rinsing. Rinse with warm water to remove and pat dry. I usually use a makeup wipe. I have to grab mine. I'll be right back. And I'm back. I'm using my e.l.f. makeup remover cleansing cloths. You get 20 to a package, and they're, I believe, $3 or $4 a package. I swear by these. I buy them by the case because I use them so much and I love them. They remove makeup so effortlessly, and I just love them. So we're gonna take this bad boy out and see what it do. All right, so it's in here. There we go. Shake it out of here. It's another one of these stick type things, doohickeys, like the primers that I've been trying. So you get, let's see how much product. It is 0.53 ounces or 15 grams. And they're all usually, all those sticks are about the same height. So I'm going to put this on my eyebrows and see what it do. You don't have to push hard. That's the edges always kind of wipe off with these too. All right, let's see. I usually use the Hydrating Gel Melt Cleanser. This is not a cleanser. I use this as, I mean, it's meant to be a cleanser, but I don't think it is. I don't use it for a face wash. I use it as a makeup remover. Like I just dip my, finger in and do all of this with this clear gel, which I'm almost out of. Anywho, but I love that. I will link my review for that down below as well. So I feel like that I would use at home, and this would be great for like travel or, every day. It's up to you. And yeah, it seems to be doing pretty well. Let's see what happens when I use the yep, comes right off, no problems. Oh, I do have mascara on too, so let's see how that comes off. And there is a little bit of lash glue on my lashes, so let's see. All right, does not burn the eyes at all, which is a bonus, of course. And usually if I was removing a full face of makeup, I would clump some on my lashes and let it sit to work its way into my mascara. This you don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way, I feel. and seems to be working really well. So far, I say this is definitely one thumb up. Let's see how it takes this off. And it's always a perk when it doesn't burn my eyes, you know. I believe because it goes on kind of dry. It's like a dry oil almost in a way because of, you know, the stick form of it. It doesn't really get in your eyes then because it just kind of stays where you put it, if you will. It's no dripping or, you know, any of that. And yeah, clean as a whistle. So yeah, I give that 2 thumbs up for sure. So let's jump into the next item up for grabs. I really like this stick. Love, love, love it. Okay, moving on. Let's see if I can actually see now. Been poking at my eyeballs. Anyhow, okay, the e.l.f. in the T-Zone Bubble Mask. All right, next. This one says, liven up your skincare routine with this pore refining bubble mask. This K-Beauty inspired formula applies like a gel, then fizzes into thousands of tiny bubbles that gently wash away dirt and help refine the pores. The result is a radiant, smooth skin and clearer pores. Directions: dispense 1 pump of product at a time and spread onto areas of enlarged pores, like your T-zone. Allow the mask to sit on the skin for 5 to 10 minutes until bubbles begin to flatten. Massage face with fingertips and wash with warm water to remove. Pat dry. Recommended usage is 1 to 3 times per week, and of course avoid eye contact. So with this guy, let's pop her out. You get 0.47 fluid ounces or 14 milliliters. So it looks like this. And since this is meant to be like a spot bubble mask, if you will, and my enlarged pores actually aren't on my T-zone so much. I don't have big pores up here. I basically stay in this zone. So I'm going to put the T-mask on these areas and see what happens. Alright, so we're rubbing it in. I don't know, was I supposed to wet my hands first? No, it doesn't even need it. It just starts bubbling on its own. That's a perk. Okay. I like that. A lot of times with these, sometimes you have to wet it to activate it or whatever, you know what I mean. So I'm going to hit these areas with it. Okay, this is a handy little thing. Little spot mask, if you will. For someone like Tom, this would be great because he doesn't like bubble masks because they make his face itch like crazy. So he could do just a spot with it, you know, not his whole face and go crazy. All right, I'm going to leave this on for, I don't know, a few minutes. We'll see how long it takes to diffuse, and then I will rinse it off and wash my face. I'll be right back. Smoochies. And put it all over my face just because I have to wash my face anyway. But I also wanted to bring up an honorable mention before I rinse and scrub-a-dub. I picked this up and I've been using it the past couple days. It is great. It is the PORE Cleaning Brush. It's got like this rubber bristle on one side and then like these little bumps on the other side for scrubbing in your pores and stuff. It says clean, condition, and refine pores with this dual-sided cleaning brush. Directions: designed to fit your finger. Use with your favorite e.l.f. cleanser. Use the side with the bristles to penetrate and deep clean pores. Move in a back and forth motion along nose and other pore populated areas. Next, using the side with the nubs, massage in a circular motion to refine pores. So that's this guy. So that's what you're going to see on my finger if it looks crazy. So let's see. I am going to scrubbity-dub just like this with the brush side, as you can see. And it doesn't hurt. It feels so good, especially after something like this, because your face has been itching out of control from the bubbles. I feel like it really gets in all those little nooks and crannies that you don't get as good with your fingers. Anyhow, I'm gonna do this off camera. I'll be right back. I have to say, 2 thumbs up on all things involved today. Again, this makeup remover balm, great. You could use it every day or just for travel, whatever you prefer. Again, I will link the review on this. It is not good for a cleanser, but it is great for a makeup remover because it doesn't burn your eyes as well. You could slather that stuff on. Never burns my eyes. So this, 2 thumbs up, and yeah, I give this 2 thumbs up as well. I mean, they have all the other bubble masks, which you can get a big jar of it like this, and with this one you get 1.69 ounces or 50 grams, and they have like 3 different kinds of bubble masks like this, I believe. Anywho, that you can pretty much use this on the whole face as well. I think this is great for just spots or for travel. That might, you know, it's just travel friendly. So instead of carrying around this big clunky jar, you know what I mean? So, and this thing I highly recommend if they have them still at your store. It feels great on your face, and I just kind of leave it on my finger, and as I'm washing it, you know, you just go along. So all things will be linked below. And again, I love you guys. Thank you for spending some time with me. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you could, give it a big thumbs up because that does help me out. Until the next one, guys, I love you so much, and thank you for spending your time with me. Lots of warm fuzzies going your way. Smoochies. Mwah. Bye.